Today we're going to make a delicious chicken recipe, chicken which is cooked in milk. So it's very simple recipe. What you need is one whole chicken, 2 cups of milk, garlic and chicken cube, 2 chicken cube. Okay, we'll start with the garlic first. You'll need 2 spoons of garlic. We'll fry the garlic for a while before we add in the chicken. 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. We'll stir this and cook for a while. Now we'll add in the chicken. We'll add some salt. And the chicken cube. We'll cook the chicken for a while more before we add the milk. Let the chicken cook a bit more. After cooking for 5 minutes, we'll add the milk to the chicken. 2 cups of milk. Okay, we'll let the chicken cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until the milk has been reduced. So we'll let it simmer. Cooking the chicken for 7 minutes and the water have reduced a bit. We have to cook the chicken until the water is totally reduced. So we'll cook another 15 minutes to get the milk flavor into the chicken. So just be patient. The end result will be very satisfying. Now you can see it's already dry. So this is how it should be before you take it out. So it's all reduced and you can see the milk remnant here. And do try this recipe, it's really delicious and it goes well with tomato rice. So I'll be showing in my recipe how to make tomato rice. So if you make tomato rice, it's superbly delicious. So do try and do comment on my channel, and that's all for now.